risk for the spread of wildfires today. Elevated fire weather conditions are expected today across portions of New Jersey, Delaware, and northeastern Maryland. Relative humidity values are forecast to drop to around 30 to 40% this afternoon, north to southern New Jersey and portions of the northern Delmarva Peninsula. Northwest winds will increase to around 15 to 20 miles per hour with gusts around 25 to 30 miles per hour. Antecedent fuel conditions remain dry due to a lack of rainfall over the past several weeks. Residents and visitors are urged to exercise